Okay, so the parts laid out for issue 69, it's the rear wheel, the tail dragger wheel, a few parts on screws, yeah, still metal parts though. So yeah, just going to get this assembled and then I think fitted onto the actual aircraft, the main body of the aircraft. So yeah, not much to say. Checked it all off, all there. So this should be issue 69. Okay, so first thing we're going to have to do is take some parts off the sprue. We're taking off these wheel hubs. So we've got these, I'd say they're kind of dark grey in colour. Just kind of take these off, cut them as close as you can, obviously, to the plastic again. So this is the wheel hubs, tyre hubs if you like. And then again, bring over the rubber rear wheel. And then it says you just push these together. It's just push fit. Just to create the rear wheel. Okay. Then we get the support bracket, the arms for the support bracket. With the little pin facing upwards. That is it. And then get the rear wheel and put that in there. And then one of the long screws through from this side. And don't do it too tight, otherwise it won't rotate. And there we go. Okay, we've got the tail wheel strut, as it calls it, another metal part. This part now, it has got a little locating pin. There we go. So it's got a round hole and a square hole, and obviously that's a square pin. So the square pin fits into there. And then another long screw going up through the bottom of this. Tricky because it kind of balance everything, but yeah, looks that's on just like. Okay, I'm bringing over the main part of the model. Actually, going to take off these parts of the sprue first. Okay, I'll try and work this out then. Okay, so there's a hole, there's a pin there that this kind of fits into, I think. So yeah, so there's that pin that fits into, like that. So we'll kind of go like that, and then your bracket support thing. Fit. And then the screws are going to go into there and there. Okay, it's a bit difficult to see, that's what it looks like after it's done. Okay, we now got this part here, which is just calling copper shaft. Now the important thing is it needs to come through to the right hand side. It just kind of goes through from that side. So there's two blocks as well, I don't know if you can see them, there and there. So when this goes through, the pivot pin itself needs to pivot between those two blocks. So there's a stop there and a stop there. Then the plastic part comes through from the other side to support it. Put a little bit of super glue apparently on the inside edge of that. Put a little bit of super glue on the inside edge of that, because that's going to kind of hold it in place. Okay, so I'm going to put a bit more super glue, I guess, on the actual lip of it. Really isn't sticking at all. Okay, that was quite tricky to get there to stick. I think I've done it now. Avoiding obviously getting any super glue onto the thing to prevent it from turning. It still seems to turn. Hopefully it's stuck nicely. Okay, so that was issue 69, you know, fitting the tail wheel, and that was, I guess it's going to be a rubber, something for the rudder. Yeah, so that was quite not too bad. Issue 70 soon, and what is issue 70? Assembling and fitting the rudder assembly. So it's going to be the rudder itself, and looks like another LED or something. But yeah, going to be quite an in-depth one, looks like. We're going to be getting the rudder fitted. That'll be issue 70, and that'll be coming up soon. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my presentation of this issue of Build a Spitfire Mk1A by Hachette PartWorks. And if you'd like to see progression of this model or any of the other models on the channel, because I've got the Ecto one and the Ferrari F40 going on at the moment, then you can always consider subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, then give us a thumbs up or pop any comments in the comments box. I always get back to those. But hey, until next time, thank you very much for watching. Hope to catch you again on the channel soon. Take care and ta-da for now.